Hit and run. But your dashcam can't even read the number plate. One blurry frame can cost you the entire evidence. That's exactly why I switched to Redtiger F7NA dashcam. True 4K clarity, supercapacitor heat resistance, and ADAS driving assistance. Use my link in the description if you're planning to buy. The Prime Day pricing is already the lowest available, and purchasing through my link also helps support the channel. F7NA has the true 4K Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678 sensor on front camera with HDR technology, delivering 68% larger image sensor size, 90% larger photosensitive area, and 100% improved low light performance for clearer day and night recording. As you can see in the comparison, the left side shows natural color reproduction with true 4K clarity, offering higher replaces sharpness traditional and lithium batteries to eliminate battery swelling or explosion risks, making it much more stable, safe, and reliable. Let me show you how to enable the ADAS feature. First is forward collision warning. It accurately calculates the distance to the vehicle ahead and warns of potential collision risks. Second is lane departure. It automatically detects lane markings and alerts you when the vehicle deviates from the lane. The third feature is stop and go. It automatically monitors the front vehicle's departure and reminds you to start in a timely manner. Here's a quick demonstration of the forward collision warning in action.
Front car collision alarm.
The Redtiger F7NA dashcam records in ultra-clear 4K resolution at 30 frames per second on the front camera, along with 1080p recording on the rear camera. The front camera features HDR technology, which improves dynamic range to deliver balanced exposure and reduce overexposed or underexposed footage in challenging lighting conditions. It also offers enhanced low light performance, helping capture clearer details and sharper video even during night drives. Let me show you how to connect your Redtiger F7NA to the mobile app. First, head into the dashcam settings and enable Wi-Fi. Once the Wi-Fi is turned on, open the Redtiger app on your phone and connect to the dashcam's Wi-Fi network. Switch back to the app and you will instantly gain access to your recordings. You can preview footage, download videos directly to your phone, and manage settings. Thanks to the high-speed Wi-Fi connection, transfer speeds can reach up to 20 MB per second in a lab-tested or interface-free environment, making it quick and convenient to save important clips to your device. Let me show you the voice control feature on the dashcam. Show front camera. And just like that, the dashcam switches to the front camera view completely hands-free. The Redtiger F7NA dashcam also comes with a responsive touchscreen that makes navigation quick and easy. Let me walk you through some of the settings. You can simply swipe through the menus, access recording options, adjust camera settings, manage Wi-Fi, and customize features directly from the display. The touchscreen feels smooth and intuitive, making it easy to use without having to remember complicated button combinations. On the first day of Prime Day, Saturday, July the 4th, customers purchasing this F7NA will receive an additional 5% off only for one day, which is at least 840 rupees extra savings on top of the Prime Day price. Protect yourself on every drive with the Redtiger F7NA Dashcam.